Hi everyone! Welcome to this Getting Started tutorial for painting in Canvas. If you want to watch a more in-depth and longer format video, click here. Otherwise, let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to create a multicolor version of the single color model from MiniWorld 3D of the Helsinki Cathedral. MiniWorld 3D has a fabulous collection of landmarks and famous buildings around the world. I highly recommend that you check it out. To get started, I'm logged in here at canvas3d.io. I have a printer profile created and a palette associated with that printer. Next, I'm going to select New Project. I'll drag and drop the single color STL into the project. You can tell it's just one color. I'm going to select the model now by clicking on it, and then choose Paint Selected. This is going to bring in the model into our painting interface. From here, I'm going to set up the colors that I'm going to use for this project. I'm double-clicking on the color swatch here, and I'm going to choose the first color, which is white, since the Helsinki Cathedral in real life is this white color. I'm also going to choose a green color for the roofs, brown for the doors, and yellow for the tops of the domes. And to get started, I can just choose the sphere brush, choose a size that looks good for my model, and start painting. You'll notice that the colors are being applied to the triangles of the model as I move around. And if I want to change the color of this top portion, I can use the Fill tool and just click on it to change it all to yellow. I'll switch back over to the painting tool and continue my work. Here I've made a mistake. I can click on the Undo button in the top, or I can also press Ctrl or Command Z on the keyboard. If I want to be very precise, I can switch over to the triangle tool. This allows me to select a single triangle at a time. Another tool that makes painting in Canvas easier is Create Regions. Clicking Create Regions allows Canvas to automatically create boundaries in your model. These regions can now be filled using the Fill Bucket tool. The final tool that I'll show to you in this video is Fix. Fix looks for small triangles in your model that maybe should be painted a different color. For example, these white triangles here should really be yellow or green. Clicking Fix automatically will run the check. You can accept the changes that you see, or you can cancel and revert back to what it was before. In this case, I'm going to accept the changes. When you're done painting your model, you can click Save and Return. This brings the model back into the main view of Canvas. You can now click Slice to begin creating G-code. Unlike other software tools, Canvas is actually applying that paint information directly to the G-code as it's being sliced. This means that multiple STLs are not being created, just multicolor G-code. Slicing painted models may take a little while longer than you're used to, but I think you'll agree that it's worth the wait. When the slice is complete, the toolpath preview will load. Here you can see the multicolored G-code that was created based on the painted model. You can see that green is not just being used on the outer perimeters of the part, but it's actually going inside the part as well. This means that your printer does not need to do a lot of small details and allows plastic to efficiently flow from the nozzle. When you're happy with the print preview, you can click Download and send the G-code file to your palette. We printed this model earlier, and this was the result. Try Canvas today at canvas3d.io or learn more about Paint by watching this video.